Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Wash and Beauty Suite. Here is my first card with the Wash and Beauty Suite. The suite includes the stamp set and dies as a bundle for 10% off, as well as the designer series paper and iridescent pearls. And just wanted to point out that the paper not only is a beautiful watercolor, but then on this page, the dies cut out all the different flowers. So super fun that there's that coordination. So for this card, I started off with a sheet of Balmy Blue, 4 1/4 by 11, folded in half. And I have some of that Pretty Designer Series paper, 3 by 5. So I'm just going to attach that to the card on the right side. I have cut out a circle with the Stylish Shapes dies that I'm just going to add with some dimensionals. And now I'm gonna stamp the flower. For the flower, I used Polished Pink and Mary Merlot. And I started by stamping the flower in the Polished Pink. And then I did a rock and roll technique in the Mary Merlot by rolling the edges of the stamp. Next, I used a sponge dauber and I got a little bit of ink just to soften up the edges. I didn't want them to be super delineated lines, just want it to be soft edges. And then I can stamp that and cut that out, which I've already done. And then I did the same thing for the leaves, but in a little bit different way. I've used Granny Apple Green and Mossy Meadow. And I've used the stamp on the Granny Apple Green first. And then I'm gonna use another sponge dauber to just add some color to the edges right here, and then to this edge over here. So we get a two-tone color look here, like that. Very pretty. And I've already cut that out as well. And then I was debating about whether or not I should add this stamped piece behind here, because I've got this one here, and then on my original one, I didn't have anything. So I think I'm gonna add this piece as well. So I'm just gonna use some glue dots to add this piece on. So I'm just gonna do maybe one over here, be in the middle. And then one down here. Okay, and I'm just gonna add it like this. And then I'm gonna add these with dimensionals. So I'll just put one on this one. And then I'll use the mini dimensionals for the leaves. And then another trick you can do for this little part right here is you can roll a glue dot into a little roll, and then you can add that down there so that that will stick. So just going to just add it and twist it a little bit like this. And then add the flower. And then I've cut this out with the stylish, mini pocket dies. And I'm just going to stamp the sentiment in Mary Merlot. And it is here for you always. And then I'll add that on with a dimensional. Just right there. And then of course, to finish it off, I'm gonna add some pearls. So I'm gonna do a large pearl down here. And I'm going to do 2 small pearls. And I love that these pearls have more small pearls than the large pearls, because I always like to add 1 large pearl and 2 small pearls. So it's very nice. So here's the card. Simple, pretty, and elegant. So I'm offering a free card class using the Awash in Beauty when you purchase the bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit for free, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. See you guys next time. Bye.